Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to print out the documents and everything in Windows Documents folder. But before we can do that, make sure you call this module here CWD like that, or else you won't be able to do it. Okay, let's start off with a subroutine, and I'm going to call it docs, something like that. Very simple. And then we're going to create a scalar here called let's have a look, what can I call it? Doc dir. So document directory equal to, and then another scalar value here, env, curly brackets, user profile. Okay, then we're going to do backslashes and the directory we want to look in, which is documents. Okay, and we're going to do my scalar files, and we're going to use glob here, and it's going to be doc directory / Okay, now we're going to loop through the files in there, so we use a for each loop. My file, files, and then we're going to print out the files there, so that's going to simply be print file new line. Alright, all we have to do now is to call it documents. And save it. Okay, here we go. Okay, got a little bit of a problem there. Okay, looking around for the problem, it's simply this: I call it documents instead of docs. Slight error there, so let's just change that to docs to actually call the function. Okay, let's save it, and this time it should work. So let's have a look. So we're going to loop through the Windows Documents directory. Ah, there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So it's looped through everything in my documents folder or directory. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'll really help the channel out. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.